What's up, family? So I was checking out the market, right? And I realized that on the 9th of January, I actually predicted NASDAQ to the T for the whole of 2023. I was able to predict the buys all the way from Jan to June, and from June I also predicted the sells, and I mentioned all of these dates within the video and the clip I'm about to show you right now. That I see the market actually selling. Now I'm saying to you that the market is gonna start selling, or rather buying, for the first quarter or first 6 months of the year, then sell throughout the year and even the years to come. Probably that's when we'll get over here. But for now, you may start seeing buys for Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June. From June onwards, we may start to see a really huge turn in the markets where we get the market being bearish. Let me know on what you think. So just as you've seen, right, I want to take you through the market and see how this actually played out, right? We're going to go to the very same time frames, rather break down structure and actually make this to become a very valuable lesson. Maybe we can notice a similar pattern take place next year. That's the whole purpose of this video, not to brag or anything like that, but to educate you that you can also do the same. The whole purpose of this channel is that to educate you to become independent traders. So everything that we offer, the knowledge that we offer, is to let you go to the next level. So I want to be on my chart as we speak right now, and I want to start on the weekly time frame, right? In fact, let me just go back to the time frame that I was on, which was the monthly time frame, and you can clearly see, okay, it's a different color scheme for those who are watching the first clip and the second clip, which is right now. I'm recording this on the 6th of November just to show you how this actually played out. We can definitely see the order block that I marked over here. So smart money, guys, it's so powerful. Look at that. This was the order block that I had said the market is gonna come back into and mitigate. Then we can start seeing sells. And of course, this was the point where the market was when I was just doing that analysis, right? And I predicted that the market is gonna be buying from January, February, March, April, May, June, and then from June onwards we can actually start to see reversals. And of course, as we can go over here, I will just have to go to a lower time frame like a weekly over here and just show you. Then we can break down structure for sure and really understand what went on. Apart from that, I predicted that the recession was going to affect, right? So I predicted that fundamentally. So the reason why I had that perspective, right, reason why it's important to build up economic database in order that you can handle your perspective in the markets. It produces a reality, and the more accurate you are on the economic side, the more reality you're gonna see it played out on your chart. Hence, it accurately played out. I won't sit here and say I was prophetic, even though yes, the intuition at that point was so strong that I was not even afraid to mention that those dates, right? It can be all wrong, but the intuition, the Holy Spirit in my heart, helped me to trust what I had to say to you guys on the 9th of January, to say that the market was going to actually move up, as you can see. And this is where we're at by the time I was analyzing, as you can see. And the market really went up. February we're going up, March we're up, May we're up, June we're up, and we want to see from the 24th of July over here, we spiked into this order block that I predicted so accurately, right? We spiked into it, and as of June, the market has been selling. September, October, and now of course we're in November, where we can start to see the NFP catalyst here. And the reason why I'm mentioning that NFP catalyst, because a lot of you guys only look at the market from a chart perspective and don't look at it from a fundamental perspective, and that's what we very much emphasize within the course, right? I just advise many of my students, don't just look at the market from the perspective of technicals, right? Smart money, it's good, it's accurate, hooray. but you don't know anything. It's almost like you're trading dumb money, right? If you don't know the intrinsic value of the market, you can never know exactly what the real value is going to be. So we're able to predict the real value within months and times because we know the intrinsic value of that. Okay, so if you're really interested to know a little bit more on how to predict the market economically and fundamentally accurately, so we are running a promotion for our course. So for those of you, only for those of you who have been longing to be part of us, right, you have been seeing our content for so long, we're giving 35% off our advanced trading course. It has every information from A to Z, right? It has smart money, it has trading psychology. We really emphasize on trading psychology because we cannot pour out knowledge in a bottle that's got holes. So what we mean by that is that I will not teach you something if you still have the old mindset. The Bible says you cannot pour new wine in an old wine skin. So it's important that we refresh you and we rejuvenate you to have a different perspective in the markets. So definitely trading psychology, smart money, news trading, fundamental trading, and we get to actually specialize where I teach you how I take advantage of smart money from my edge. Then there are various types of strategies within our course with gold strategies, NASDAQ strategy, DEX strategy, pound strategy. All of the strategies are going to give you an unforgettable, undefined, undefeatable edge in the market. So definitely, if you have been planning, this is the opportunity for you to join us right now. You can go to our website, www.propheticforex.com. When you get to the advanced trading course, before you check out, show or the summary, you apply the coupon there, 20k subs, you applied over there. When you check out, it's going to give you 35% discount. So make sure you take advantage of that. Okay, let's go back to our info right here on the chart. And as you can see, what ended up happening as of June, right? I just want to break down structure. And I know I've done similar videos before, okay? So let's go ahead where we have break of structure. So you need a break of structure to have a valid change of character. And of course, our change of character was this one here. So that's our chalk, and the market broke that. We had bearish structure, and of course, we ended up having more change of characters. Reason why I'm doing this, I want to show you the power of structure, okay? And of course, we can also see right here, and also we can see right here, break of structure. From then on, we can see the market imprinting a lower high, okay, and the market actually coming back. But now the market actually broke that, so we can see that, okay, we had a break of structure to the downside. The market created a lower high, and the market of course created a lower low. But that lower, it wanted to create a new lower low, but that lower low became a high low. Since we can have this low, higher high, now we have a change of character that we can see over here, okay? So there was a shift, market structure shift, okay? Change of character, and now we are suddenly in a bullish trend. Okay, is it possible to trade on a daily time frame or weekly time frame? Yes, it's possible, and you should have a very large account, or you should enter with very small lot sizes with reasonable capital. So we can see break of structure over there. That was now validating the market that we're in. Okay, look at that. So we got breaks of structure, and the market started using a lot of things to go up. We had fair value gaps here that the market was actually using to go up. As you can see, we had other breakers, and the market actually used it to even continue up. Even now, as we had this NFP come in, right? And if you're gonna go look at the database, you'll understand why we're now seeing the market actually just begin to pick up on these indexes. But we can clearly see a fair value gap filled in for the NFP, hence we got that strong buy. It was not by coincidence, but we know exactly where the market should be responding and when exactly. Okay, so we got that order block. I just want to move it all the way there, and suddenly now we are here. So but as you can see, we predicted this so accurately. January, March, look at that, all the way to May, all the way to, as I said, from June onwards. So from June we actually tapped into this order block. Then we started seeing a huge turnaround, and many of the people were anticipating that the market was going to create higher highs to break this high, but of course the market did not do that. Okay, as you can see, it beautifully just turned around where I said. Okay, where I said, as you can see, and now we actually at this point. I just want to now show you how you can now take advantage of the market. Okay, and what do I actually anticipate the market will do. Now a lot of people I know, they're anticipating sells, but what the market is gonna just do as we close off the year, it's gonna close off very strong and go to an unmitigated order block over here. Okay, as you can see, the market sold off and filled in on a fair value gap. When the market does that, it's just typically creating what we call inducement. Okay, so as you can see, we hit this fair value gap here and the market went all the way up. What we're gonna see is that the market is gonna use this point over here, and actually we're gonna see it closing off strong, or rather opening quite very bearish as the year begins on 2024. Okay, this is all knowledge. This is not guesswork, guys. This is based off database that I know for sure. So the December NFP is gonna give me more catalyst, right? Even the events to come this November, they're gonna give me more catalyst and exactly what is gonna be happening on the months to come. Those events, a lot of you guys look at them from a short-term perspective, but if you study it longer, you will see exactly what it actually means for the market and the whole database. Even the earnings, we knew for sure what was going to happen. So definitely, if you want to learn a lot in depth from what we teach on our channel, definitely our advanced trading course will allow you to go deeper into everything in terms of understanding the market and how it operates. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to like, subscribe, because we do this kind of content where we show you structure, we break down the market, and hope that you understand and grow as a trader. So make sure you subscribe for more videos on this channel.